Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic, guys, that we have here. If you guys have two different fuse boxes, we'll need to work only in one of them, which is located inside your car on the driver's side under the dash. If you look upside down, guys, you're going to see a fuse box that looks like that. This is your OBD port. Right next to it will be your fuse box. Okay, you can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see. Before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the first fuse that we'll need to check, you may notice that you have numbers such as 1, 14, 27, and here you have 13, 26, 39. They start from this side, from 1 to 13, and we need to check fuse number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 5M fuse will need to be checked right here, guys. That 5M fuse will need to be checked here. Then you have fuse number 17, so 14, 15, 16, 17. That 10M fuse here will need to be checked. And then you're going to need to check, guys, fuse number 24, which will be, that's fuse number 26, 25, 24. That fuse right here, that 5M fuse in our case.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.